Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming capability. Make sure your TP-Link supports tethering or client/repeater mode because that determines the method. Once done, enable the mobile hotspot on your phone and copy the SSID and password. Accurate text matters. Next, plug a laptop into the TP-Link or join its default admin Wi-Fi. You need access to the router interface. Open the admin page, log in, and prepare to change the operation mode to match your hotspot. This is the first actionable step. Now you change the router's mode to connect to the phone. Choose client, range extender, or 3G/4G depending on the model. Then scan for available networks, select your phone's SSID, and enter the hotspot password. This authenticates the link. Make sure to configure IP settings. DHCP normally works, but set a static IP only if required by your network plan. Save the configuration and reboot the router. After reboot, check the WAN or status page to confirm it received an IP. To finish, connect a device to the TP-Link Wi-Fi and open a browser. Verify pages load and speeds meet expectations. If you see no internet, first toggle the phone hotspot off and on, then reboot the router and reconnect. This clears most handshake issues. Make sure mobile data is enabled and not restricted by data saver or tethering limits. Check router logs for authentication errors and the phone for client limits. If problems persist, try a different hotspot band or update router firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.